we really want to take EEG out of the lab and make that as usable in the real world as possible. We started the development of hardware about 2 years ago when we found that we need hardware as an enabling step to facilitate all the other developments that we are doing, because that gives us the opportunity to have control over all aspects of the signal processing line that we want to develop. We are doing some groundbreaking research, and we want to really build a system that has the smallest footprint possible. We are currently developing 3 individual components that build our mobile passive BCI system. The first component is basically taking up the signal from the user, so we need to have access to the voltages on the user's skin. And for doing so, we have developed a very flexible electrode patch that is easy to apply and easy to wear. So we have the patch together with our neuroengineering team. We have defined the positions of the electrodes where it's going to sit on the head of the user, and then it can be applied very easily to the user's head and can be worn very easily. And right now there is a back-in liner on it. It is even more flexible than it seems like here. The second step in the acquisition of EEG is the amplification and digitization of the signal that is provided by the electrodes. To achieve this in the most compact form factor, we use the latest chip technology, which is providing a very high signal quality while also consuming very low power. Doing so, that allows us to build a system that is optimized for long use times and for really taking our application out of the lab into the real world. The third component enabling a mobile passive brain-computer interface is a processing unit. Basically, that processing unit is an embedded system that receives the EEG data from the amplifier and then implements the algorithms that we develop for the multidimensional network state analysis. And after this analysis has happened in real time, and it is shared with the connected host system, while the EEG data itself is not shared with the host system, so maintaining the privacy of the user. Another aspect, of course, in the development of a hardware is the whole aspect of industrialization and scaling. That's that we can take on our own, but of course we can also take that step working together with clients and partners that want to integrate our technology into their systems and then scale it up to their needs.